ट्रक ड्राइवर्स हिट एंड रन मामले में कानूनी प्रावधान को लेकर गुस्से में है। कानून क्या है, नाराजगी क्यों है, यह सारी जानकारी आपको इस वीडियो के कमेंट बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। लेकिन हम जो बताने जा रहे हैं वो बात सड़क एवं परिवहन मंत्रालय के मंत्री नितिन गडकरी के एक बयान से जुड़ी है। बयान जो बार बार देखा जा रहा है। जब नितिन गडकरी ने सॉरी बोल दिया, बात उन आंकड़ों की थी जिसमें रोड एक्सीडेंट में मौतों की संख्या रखी जा रही थी। बताया जा रहा था एक्सप्रेस हाईवे में स्पीड को लेकर किस तरह की मांग की जाती है। अब देखते हैं नितिन गडकरी का वह वायरल बयान जो पूरे मुद्दे के बीच ढूंढा जा रहा है।
Honorable Speaker Mohoday, basically the express highway is axis control and the speed in the express highway is more than 100 kilometers, 120 kilometers. Now with the service road, there is a problem because already we are facing very crucial problem related with the road accident, which already you elaborated. Presently, unfortunately, in 2021, the number of road accident is 4,12,432 and in 2022 it is 4,61,312 accidents, that is 12% rise. Number of deaths, actually 2021 it was 1,53,972 and presently it comes to 1,68,491. The 10% is increase. Now the problem is that when we make the express highway, there are huge people demanding for increase in the speed because some of the people driving on Delhi-Mumbai express highway with the speed of 140 kilometer, 160 kilometer, and they are asking me that you should relax the law related with the speed. At the same time, there is demand. Some of the people are telling me you reduce the speed, and that is the reason the accidents are increasing. Now the problem is that at the same time, if we can connect service road, then again it will be a problem. But by considering the convenience of the people, and when you are presenting this problem to me, I will again check it, verify it, and I will try to find out the way out. But one thing is absolutely correct, where I need cooperation from all the stakeholders related with road accident. It is very unfortunate. It is a loss of GDP of 3.14%, and the most unfortunate thing is 67% deaths belong to 18 to 45 years. The young people now, they are facing this problem, and I am very sorry. Unfortunately, it is not a good success story of my department that we are trying our level best from last 9 years, but we are not in position to reduce the accidents and death, where we say a problem of human behavior. They have to obey the law, lane discipline, driving license, don't talk on the mobile phone at the time of driving. These are the small things where we need cooperation from the people.
सड़क दुर्घटनाओं का असर क्या होता है ये अपनों को खोने वाला हर परिवार जानता है। समझते हैं खुद नितिन गडकरी भी। बाकी इस वीडियो पर आपका क्या कहना है हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए। देखते रहिए दिल लल्ला टॉक। नमस्ते।